So over here, you can see that I have a Google Classroom right here. And if I were to go to home, then you can see that I have one classroom right here. So what I actually did was I actually archived another classroom of mine. And if I want to access that, then I can go around onto the archived classes right here. So if I were to go around and click, I can access my archived classes. But let's say what I want to do is I want to revive this class so that my students can access it again. So in that case, you can go around and click on restore right over here. So once you do that, what happens is that the graphic design, creativity, and animation class will be restored right here, just like this, and the class is restored, as you can see, and you'll be able to see the graphic design class over here on the home again, and it'll be active again. You can simply go around and archive it out right here, just like this, and what happens is that the class is archived again. And you can also go around over here and click over here on the three dot button, and then you can click on restore right here, just like this, to restore the class out right here. Similarly, you can go around over here and restore out this class right here as well, and what happens is that all of the classes gets restored, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can restore out archived classes inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.